If you want to increase your e-commerce sales by 20-30% without spending a fortune on agencies or freelancers, you have come to the right place. I am Alexander, an e-commerce and marketing expert and also 7-figure e-commerce brand owner. Today I will show you how to do email marketing for your e-commerce store all by yourself. No agencies, no freelancers, just you, and the most effective strategy every agency or expert uses. The first step is to choose an email marketing platform. Many options exist like MailChimp, Brevo, ActiveCampaign, Klaviyo, etc. Having a marketing agency and my e-commerce store made me work with all of them. They have lots of similarities, but in the end I prefer Klaviyo. I use it with my Shopify and WooCommerce stores, which I manage for myself and my clients. Step 2 is to start building your email list. After you create a Klaviyo account and connect it to your store, Klaviyo will automatically import your existing customer database into its system. To ensure your email list grows daily, you have to add a sign-up form to your website. Here is how to do it. Click sign up forms, then create sign up form, and here you can select something that is pre-built and you just change the text and the pictures to match your brand identity, and then you have to activate it and it will be automatically placed on your website. That's it. The bigger the email list, the more money you will generate. Step number 3, creating email marketing automations. Klaviyo has pre-built email automations. Just add your branding and messaging to it and activate them. Here are my favorite email marketing automation flows. Welcome emails allows you to send emails to everyone who subscribed, and you can extend this flow by having multiple emails about your brand so that people can know you better and trust you more. Here, for example, once someone subscribes, then I'm going to send them thanks for signing up email. Then I will wait 3 days and then I will send them my social media accounts, and I will wait 3-4 days more, then we'll send them our best sellers or any story about your brand that you consider will build more trust. Second flow is called Browse Abandonment. This automated flow is addressed to the people who were interested in your products, but they haven't done nothing. They didn't click on Add to Cart, they didn't start the checkout, so you have to remind them about their curiosity. Well, this flow is triggered when someone from your email list views the product, then you wait 2 hours, and then you send them a reminder. Automated flow number 3, abandoned cart reminder. This flow is very powerful. Most people abandon their shopping carts, so make sure you have at least a few emails that remind your customers to finish their purchases. I usually send 3-4 emails, one after a few hours, another one after 1 day, and others after 7, 14 and 30 days. Another flow that I highly recommend is called Customer Winback. This allows you to send personalized emails to people who already purchased and persuade them to buy again. Step number 4, start using standard email marketing campaigns. Look at the calendar and prepare standard marketing emails for every occasion that works with your business. Christmas, New Year, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, International Women's Day, Father's Day, and so on. And the last one, step number 5, analyzing and optimizing email marketing campaigns. Most platforms provide detailed analytics showing open, click-through, and conversion rates. Use this data to understand what's working and what's not. A/B test different subject lines, email designs, and call to actions to improve your results. And there you have it, a simple 5-step guide to doing email marketing for your e-commerce store without hiring expensive agencies or freelancers. Remember, consistency is a key. Keep experimenting, improving your automated email marketing flow, keep optimizing by doing A/B tests, and you will see that you can achieve same results as any email marketing expert or agency. There is no magic there, just write your emails as you feel, express yourself and your brand how it feels for you, and you will achieve normal economic results with your email marketing. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more tips on growing your e-commerce business, and leave a comment below with any questions or topics you would like me to cover next. Thanks for watching and happy emailing!